Ford of Europe released a short video on Thursday previewing the next generation Ranger Raptor. While the truck is covered in camouflage, it's clear there are some significant upgrades over the standard Ranger. In true Raptor fashion, the suspension seems to have been given some substantial upgrades, as evidenced by the high-speed jumps and turns shown on screen. The next generation Raptor will build on the foundation laid by the outgoing model, and is expected to be more capable off-road, and more fun on it. Ford says it's the most powerful factory-built Ranger Raptor ever, although it hasn't yet mentioned how much power it'll produce. Ford has remained very tight-lipped around details of the Ranger Raptor, including what's under the bonnet, but in the video there's a distinct petrol V6 sound emanating from the ute. Expected to be powering the next generation Ranger Raptor is a 3.0-liter EcoBoost twin-turbo petrol V6 engine.